हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर एब्रीवेशंस के टॉप एमसीक्यूज जो पिछले एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रोम? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस बी, रीड ओनली मेमोरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ OLED? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस ए, ऑर्गेनिक्स लाइट्स एमिटिंग डायोड। Next question. What is the full form of BMP? Right answer is options D, bitmap. Next question. What is the full form of PNG? Right answer is options D, Portables Network Graphic. Next question. What is the full form of Google? Right answer is options A, Global Organizations of Oriented Groups Language of Earth. Next question. What is the full form of ISDN? Right answer is option C, Integrated Service Digital Network. Next question. What is the full form of URL? Right answer is options B, Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. What is the full form of POP? Right answer is options A, Post Office Protocol. Next question. In computer, C in CPU denotes dash. Right answer is options D, central. Next question. In computer, CUI stand for. Right answer is options B, character user interface. Next question. What is the full form of CRT? Right answer is options A, cathode ray tube. Next question. What is the full form of P2P? Right answer is option C, peer to peer. Next question. What is the full form of SRAM? Right answer is options D, static random access memory. Next question. What is the full form of virus? Right answer is option C, vital information resource under siege. Next question. What is the full form of DTP? Right answer is options A, desktop publishing. Next question. In computers, 1GL refers to. Right answer is options D, first generation's programming language. Next question. In computer, CD-ROM stands for. Right answer is options A, compact disk read only memory. Next question. What is the full forms of APL? Right answer is option C, a programming language. Next question. What is the full form of OCR? Right answer is options B, optical character recognitions. Next question. What is the full form of DNS? Right answer is option C, domains name system. Next question. In MICR, C stands for. Right answer is option C, character. Next question. What is the full forms of UNIVAC? Right answer is options D, Universal Automatic Computer. Next question. What is the full forms of MSD? Right answer is options A, most significant digits. Next question. What is the full forms of URL? Right answer is option C, Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. What is the full forms of IBM? Right answer is options D, International Business Machine. Next question. What is the full forms of POP? Right answer is options A, Post Office Protocol. Next question. What is the full forms of XML? Right answer is options B, Extended Markup Language. Next question. What is the full form of LSI? Right answer is options D, Large Scale Integrations. Next question. What is the full form of ALGO? Right answer is options B, Algorithm Language. Next question. What is the full form of PDA? Right answer is options A, Personal Digital Assistant. Next question. What is the full form of ISP? Right answer is options B, Internet Service Provider. Next question. What is the full form of WIMP? Right answer is options A, Window Icons Menu Pointer. Next question. What is the full form of VGA? Right answer is options B, Video Graphics Array. Next question. What does C represents in MICR? Right answer is options D, character. Next question. What is the full form of OCR? Right answer is options A, Optical Character Recognitions. Next question. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Right answer is options A, Wireless Fidelity. Next question. What is the full form of PHP? Right answer is options B, Hypertext Preprocessor. Next question. What is the full form of UDP? Right answer is options D, Users Datagrams Protocol. Next question. What is the full form of STP? Right answer is options B, Shielded Twisted Pair. Next question. What is the full form of DSU? Right answer is options A, Digital Service Unit. Next question. What is the full form of BPS? Right answer is options B, bits per second. Next question. What is the full form of MAC? Right answer is options B, Media Access Control. Next question. What is the full form of docx? Right answer is options B, Documents Extended. Next question. What is the full form of TCP? Right answer is option C, Transmissions Control Protocol. Next question. What is the full form of IC? Right answer is options A, Integrated Circuit. Next question. What is the full form of ASP? Right answer is option C, Active Server Page. Next question. What is the full form of ISO? Right answer is options D, International Standard Organization. Next question. What is the full form of ARP? Right answer is options A, Address Resolution Protocol. Next question. What is the full form of PDF? Right answer is option C, Portable Documents Format. Next question. What is the full forms of ISDN? Right answer is options A, Integrated Service Digital Network. Thank you.